In front of me is OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then scroll down and open About Phone, and here you will notice version. So just click on baseband and kernel, and here you will notice build number. Now click on it 7 times, and as you can see, now you're a developer. So let's go back, and from now on you will be able to locate developer options under additional settings. Just scroll a bit lower, and here you've got developer options. Mark it to open, and you can smoothly use it. And what we would like to apply is automatic system updates. So just by tapping on this switcher, you can activate or deactivate automatic system updates in your device. And once the indicator is active, your updates will be applied automatically when device restarts. Obviously, you can turn off this feature the same way. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.